Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix a loose trem. So this is for the original Floyd Rose type arm. That's a screw in. So it's a screw in like this. This is an Edge Pro 2, it's an Ibanez, and I changed the mount to a Floyd Rose one. So I actually took out the old, the insert type one and changed it because I just like the feel of the Floyd Rose one. So a lot of the times you'll get the arm a lot of the times it just won't stay. It will like dangle and fall. Um, there are ways where on the internet it says to put like nail varnish or put some plumbing tape inside to make it more secure. But the best way I found is to use, if you take the spring from a biro or a ballpoint pen, this small spring, you can use the full length of it. So all you do is you pop the spring inside. If you notice, it juts out quite a bit. Okay, it's jutting out quite a bit. So what that does is it creates resistance. So when I'm screwing this in, it's a lot tougher. Yeah, so you can feel. So I'm not even halfway through and I have to tighten it quite a bit. So what that does is it creates a very tight tension to your trem arm, and the feel is a lot more solid. Sometimes it feels like there's a gap in there, and it's eliminated by just using that small spring, and I found that to be the best method. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the please leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.